Hi friends, welcome back to Didi Kids. Today we're going to build something truly exciting, a solar-powered bus that runs on sunlight. Yes, it actually moves using energy from the sun. To get started, gather a few simple materials. A small cardboard or plastic box to act as the bus body, 2 tiny solar panels, 4 small electric motors, some wires, 4 wheels, a glue gun, and of course, your imagination. First, glue the motors to the bottom of the box where the wheels will go. Once the motors are in place, attach the wheels to them so your bus can roll smoothly. Now, let's work on the top. Make 2 small holes on the roof of the bus and carefully glue the solar panels there, making sure they face upward to catch as much sunlight as possible. Next, connect the wires from the solar panels to the motors. This is where the magic begins. But how does it work? Solar panels are made of materials that convert sunlight directly into electricity. When sunlight hits the panels, they generate an electric current. That electricity flows through the wires and powers the motors, which in turn spin the wheels and move the bus. No batteries or fuel needed, just sunshine. Now it's time to test it out. Take your bus outside on a sunny day, place it on the ground, and watch closely. As the sunlight hits the panels, your bus will start to move all on its own, like a little science-powered magic trick. You've just built a vehicle that runs on clean, renewable energy. So, how exactly do those solar panels do their job? Well, most small solar panels are made from a material called silicon. When sunlight hits the silicon cells, it excites tiny particles called electrons. These moving electrons create an electric current, kind of like turning sunlight into electricity. That current flows through the wires and powers your motors. It's a process called the photovoltaic effect. Pretty amazing, right? Solar energy is one of the cleanest and most abundant sources of power on Earth. And what you've built today is a simple version of the same technology used in solar cars, homes, and even space stations. Keep exploring, keep creating, and remember, the future is bright, just like the sun. See you next time on Didi Kids.